Hi, today I'm going to make a review from Nature's Garden fragrances. I have quite a few, and I'm only going to review the ones that I've used. Now, because the IFRA has updated their guidelines, some of them are no longer skin safe, or they may be skin safe to a smaller percentage, like 3% instead of 5%. So if you're going to buy them, check on that first. I'm going to sort them by type, and then I'm going to put links in the description box to the timestamps for the categories. Okay, so I'm going to start with the floral ones, Floral Musk and Wild Musk type. Now, Floral Musk was very perfumey type. I'm not a fan of those, but I did use it all up. It did accelerate. It did not cause any discoloration as far as I remember. Now, Wild Musk type, I want to say that it caused a slight discoloration. And I don't think it smells like the original Wild Musk that much. But I plan to use it and blend it with baby powder, and maybe that will help it smell more like the original one. It does cause acceleration, so you have to keep simple design with this. Now these are the sweet types. Let's see, Oatmeal Milk and Honey. This was my favorite Oatmeal Milk and Honey fragrance out there. However, with the new IFRA regulations, I believe it's only at 3 point something safe for soaps. So I prefer to use 5%. So I'm not going to be buying this again, but I'm going to miss it. Then I have Fruity Rings. I've recently used this and I really liked it. It smells like the real thing. It has this lemon scent. It did not cause any discoloration. And I don't remember accelerating like crazy either. So that was good. Their Black Raspberry Vanilla was also good. It did cause a little bit of acceleration for me, for my recipe. But it was strong and it stayed strong in the soap. Unfortunately, it is also now only allowed like at 3 something percent in soap, so I'm not going to be buying it again for soap. Mango Sorbet. I didn't think it smelled like mango, but it did not cause any discoloration and it behaved fairly well. So that was good. Some people in the reviews said that it caused separation. I didn't see that myself. Out of the bottle, it does smell like mango, but in cold process soap, it transferred to something more like in the sweet tones. Then we have Cranberry Relish, which somebody recommended. And I've used it once, and I do like it. It has that berry scent. Now, I used it with oils that move fast, so I cannot comment on whether this accelerates or not because my oils were already moving fast as it was. Next, we have the mint types. Aqua di Gio and the Perfect Man, which I have 2 bottles. This one is almost done. My husband likes this ones a lot, and I like this one better. I want to say that this one behaved well, and that this one, Aqua di Gio, moved slightly fast for me. But it did not, neither of them caused discoloration. Last, we have the citrus ones. My favorite is probably sweet orange chili pepper. It's good on its own, and it's also good for blends. I've used it mostly in blends, but once I used it by itself, and I remember that it did not cause a lot of discoloration. Maybe a slightly yellow tone, but not much. And I bought a new bottle once I was done with it. It doesn't move too fast, but it will cause a slight acceleration if your soap butter tends to move fast as it is. So in other words, it's manageable. Then we have Grapefruit Lemongrass Energize. And I remember that this one, it seems to cause deceleration in the soap. So I use it whenever I want a slow moving time for a complicated swirl. and I like how it smells. Hot pink lime is also good whenever you need lots of working time. I'm not a fan of the scent though. It's too citrusy for me. Maybe not too citrusy. It has a note that I'm not crazy about. I mean, I still use it. My husband liked it, but I'm not sure that I will buy it again. Blood orange. Now, this is one of the few oranges that actually stayed in soap. Like, they don't fade. And I've used it mostly in blends. Now, I did buy and use peppermint once, but I don't remember in which soap or how it behaved or anything. So if you have used it by chance, do let me know your thoughts on it below. Thank you, and this is all. Bye.